some more gas. Man, trying to get it back to me. What's going on, my people? What's going on, man? Welcome back. You already know what time it is, man. So, hey, man, we're back in action, man. The Elco. So, hey, look, my man still holding on toughly to the old one. Yeah, I mean, I found it. I found the key.
All right.
Hey, if he hold on to it long enough, we might be reselling this one. Huh?
Maybe, sure. He need to come on pick it up.
So, we on the Elco, man, right now, man. So, I ain't gonna hold y'all. We started this and I totally forgot to get the camera, but just kind of let y'all know what's going on. We swapping it over to a floor shifter. Got the column shift on it right now, and the way this transmission is set up, as far as we know, it's a manual shift, so that column shifter situation ain't really the move. So we're gonna go ahead and put in this B&M star shifter. We already went and drilled the holes in. We got the linkage cable, and so all we got to do is just pretty much connect it to the transmission. We're gonna tighten this thing down. So after that, man, we should be really good. And it's all about dressing it up, putting the cap on, all this good jazz. You already know what time it is. So, but the Elco definitely clean situation, man. You know what I mean? I'm glad my homeboy went and snapped this one up. As you can tell from how it's looking right here to what this one look like, it's definitely gonna be way less work, and it's already running. You already know. But the homie up under there still,
Man.
What you say? You trying to contort your hand?
I got to contort my hand up through there, man.
You know what I mean? So I'm finna get up under here real quick, y'all, and see if I can get this tightened up, and then we're gonna go from there, man. You did. So I'm gonna keep on going, but you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel, definitely smash that notification bell, that way you can stay alert to all the new drops. You dig? So let's get at it. Novi. Look, that man don't need no wings.
He don't need no wings.
He don't need no wings. He already trying to get chicken wings. We about got it done now.
Right. See, bring that 2 wings.
Come on, man. You get your hands up under there.
Bring that, son.
You got it tightened down?
Huh?
You got that bolt tightened down?
What's up?
Hey, what you supposed to be over there doing? You worry about a wing.
I can't reach it. Hey,
look.
This one back here. Hey,
look, you might have to get Sydney to come up under there and tighten it, put that down.
I cannot reach this one, dog.
All right, let me get up under there. Sydney, we might need them little hands of yours, okay?
I need them little hands go grab them wings right there.
Man, come on. Hey, y'all already know what time it is, but my man got on the black. You got on the black.
I'm standing on business.
He's standing on business.
I'm standing on business.
All right, man. By the way, let me get up under there.
All right.
Come on, go
ahead. Hey, go get that 2 wings.
Don't get that man no wing. He don't deserve no wing yet.
I need to play around.
This is a.
Yeah.
You got no carburetor.
You got it. You got it.
No.
I'm over you.
I thought I didn't feel like I got it.
I'm over you, fool. They go King already. He gonna say, man, y'all got it all? What up, man?
Be busy.
Man, what's going on?
I'm like, how you looking? How you looking? How y'all looking over there?
Man, sure, we about got it done. We already got the Chris up on here finna tighten down the shifter.
Hey.
Alright, cool. Tell him, say what's up, man.
Yeah, he can hear you.
What good with you,
What up,
King?
Chris? What's up, Big Pimpin'?
No, just got on showing my boy son, that's all.
Hey, man.
Matter of fact, we
you slap them gas now.
Matter of fact, we go ahead and switch out.
You said what? You said what?
He said we could go ahead and switch out.
We finna switch out. I can't, yeah, my hand don't fit.
It don't fit? Alright, let me go and grab it.
Well, come on with it. But yeah, I was checking up on y'all, man.
Yeah, sure. We're gonna be done. We're gonna be done with this in a little bit.
Alright, man. Let me know how it goes, man.
Alright, that's a bet.
Alright, y'all.
Alright, yeah.
See, I know what's going on. It's a conspiracy.
What going on, man?
Don't want me to get on.
They don't want you to be here?
Yeah. That's all
How you had your hands? Show me again.
No. Gang up on that.
Gang.
My arthritis kicked in. I can't get no get it, bro.
You got it. I got it.
Tag.
Let me go on tag. You
Tag you in, dog.
The screws and stuff up under there?
Yeah, they up on there.
Alright.
With the light.
Alright, let me go and get on up under there real quick. Get this thing tight. It look good though. It look good. Alright people, so we got the shit in. Finna see what's to it. Found out that the transmission, what they call it? Vacuum modulator, solenoid, whatever you want to call it. That thing wasn't hooked up, so my homeboy was having an issue with it not coming out of drive or whatever when he was driving it. So we're gonna see by us hooking that part up if that helped us out. It did, so we're finna see what's up with it. But the shifter is definitely in and it's smooth. We're gonna take it around there for Lizard. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Fake reverse.
Yeah.
Man, don't got no inside. Better move.
What was that? Was it
Tire?
rubbing? Oh, tire rubbing? Yeah, that's why I had to kind of like inch out of here. You see that?
Yeah. That hurt me take these though.
Yeah, that's gonna cause you an issue there. Them tires, them big ass tires. Alright, so now it's in drive, right?
It's in drive.
Alright, so don't shift it yet. Let's just see if it changed gears. Give it some more gas. Hold on. Give it some more gas. Alright. Hold on, did it shift?
I don't feel like it. We can't get on the straightaway. I didn't feel the shift.
Alright.
See what I'm saying?
But see, like it got a... It's kind of hard to tell, because that's why I want to see if it's gone. Give it a little more gas. Alright. Yeah, no, it ain't shifting. Alright, it ain't shifting. But it ride good, so it could be that solenoid. It could be that solenoid.
So, do I need to?
Alright, so now you finna go back? Alright, so yeah, we're gonna have to take it back down a gear. Or two.
Cause it's just in drive, really.
Yeah, that's just in drive.
Yeah. So now, if I
So
go all the way
down. Alright, that should be...
I got to slap it up now.
No. Go down one more. Go down again.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, so now that's the slap up thing.
Yeah.
Right? So now it's gonna be just bump, and then that's drive.
Gotcha.
Alright, so. But see, my thing is the coming back part. Oh, okay, I see it. So that's dry.
So what is that?
Is that dry? That's gotta be dry. Right? Alright, so I got it now. So if you in the ratchet, which is this, that's dry. How do you downshift back? don't think you can. I don't think you can. So that's neutral. That's drive. Alright. Alright. My bad, Chris.
It's all good, huh?
Alright, so now that is the D1 situation right there. So this is the ratchet again. So you pound it up. We just got to figure out how do you downshift when you're in ratchet mode, if you can. Alright, so, you want to test it? Yeah. So we're going to slow roll it up.
I know I'm like nobody on this street.
This shit you said it's going to be busy. Shift it. Slap it. There you go. Slap it. So now, now you're in drive. You're in. There is nothing else. Like. All right, try to slap it one more time. Just to see. Yeah, it ain't nothing. So now when you come into a stop, it's gonna be the same thing. Man, it's got some move though.
Yeah, it's like you got to go through them gears first. So now when I come down, what I gotta do?
Nothing. So you can just slow down.
Okay.
You're in gear, you're in drive. But see, like now,
so right here, so now
this is the part we gotta figure out.
So now I'm at a complete stop. Now what I do?
This is the part we gotta figure out. All right, so now it's back in ratchet mode again, but we'll read the instructions on the ratchet part.
Gotcha.
Because
if the blanket working out.
All right, we'll figure that out.
So once you get the regular drive, after you go through all the ratchet mode,
we got to figure it out how to get it back down to drive. There you go. Slap it. Yeah, you gotta make sure you slap it. Yeah. So and now you're in drive.
That's it right now.
Yeah. It's loose?
Yeah. So now
that little 350 be moving though.
So now, you know what I'm saying? It be straight.
So like so when you driving regular, you straight because you already in drive.
Yeah.
It's already in this high gear. You see what I'm saying?
So when let's say I'm starting to reset my speed.
So like slick, when you coming up the gear right here, you could literally take this and release it from ratchet mode and go up and drive.
Gotcha.
You see what I'm saying?
I see what you're saying there.
Cause it's right now it's in ratchet, right?
And it
ain't doing nothing, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let off the gas a little bit. See, it's in drive now, right? Hold on.
Yeah.
That's drive. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, and then you could come back and then put in ratchet.
So I wonder now, all right, since it's in regular drive,
so
once
now,
I go to a stop,
when you come to a stop, you should be able to.
You see what I'm saying? Will I have to start over to get?
No, yeah, you gotta start over every time because you gotta climb the gear.
Yeah.
But the crazy shit is, I'm gonna have to figure this part out, the shifting part.
Yeah.
On this. Because like even when you like how it's riding right now, even when you was in drive, it sounded the same in a way.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Just straight out. Like it sounded like it wasn't shifting. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. But I honestly think if we replace the vacuum solenoid, that it's gonna shift out right.
Gotcha. Yeah, these wheels on here gonna aggravate the fool out of me.
Yeah. Look. And then it's man, you got drag radials, man. You been testing shit up out here for real. Yeah, them wheels too big.
Tear that up. Man, that went to drive pretty good. Yeah, I gotta take these off. The back tires ain't the problem.
It's the rear one. It's the front one.
Yeah.
Yeah. They too wide.
Oh, true.
You like to shift it better?
Yeah, that's straight right there. I didn't know I can't turn that wide. Yeah, I can work with that.
He got that bitch now. Look, he just shifted that bitch all kind of gear. Like, what's to it? What's to him?
You want to drive?
You sure I'll drive it on, man?
Got no shifting like I did. Got no been doing it. Radios on now.
Alright, y'all. Finna go on, take my man for a whirl in this thing real quick, man. So, gonna get out this camera. It's working good. So all we gotta do is just do the top part, make it look pretty, you did. So, you happy with it, man? You like it?
Yeah, man.
Alright, man. So, at that part, man, we done, man. We did it again. So, we're gonna holler at y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for checking in. We out.